Meaning of dappled.
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 Dappled. Dappled is an adjective that describes something that has spots or patches of different shades or colors. It is often used to describe the appearance of light filtering through trees, where patches of sunlight and shade create a dappled effect on the ground below. The word can also be applied to the coloring of an animal's coat, where patches of color are unevenly distributed across the fur. In essence, dappled refers to a pattern of irregular patches or spots that create a variegated appearance.